Are you interested in learning how to heal your body, mind, and soul naturally? In this video, I'm going to tell you about my online course that teaches you how to do just that. So stay tuned. Alright, let's get right into this video about how to heal your body, mind, and soul naturally. So what does that even mean? Heal means to become well, and that can mean anything to you, whether or not you suffer with any physical problems, mental problems, or spiritual problems. Anything can be healed or at least managed naturally. And the reason why naturally is such an important concept is because this is a holistic health thing that, everybody knows that when you take medications, you're going to have side effects. And that's the biggest difference between holistic healthcare and conventional healthcare, is that holistic healthcare tries to focus on prevention and keeping your body as natural as possible. And that's what I'm all about here at Holistic Lifestyle Guide. If you're new to this channel, then welcome, and be sure to subscribe if you are interested in holistic wellness. So let's get right into this. So you want to live a healthier lifestyle, but you don't know where to start. Or maybe you feel like your mind is stopping you from enjoying life. Or maybe you feel like you are disconnected from your higher self, from nature, and from the universe. These are three of the biggest, most common problems why people turn to holistic health. Because it's all about aligning with nature and being connected to everything. And that way, the more you can do that, the more your body, mind, and soul are going to be in harmony. And naturally, optimal health will result from that. So if you are confused, if you are overwhelmed with all of the information out there, like the first line says, you don't know where to start, then I can help you with that, because my specialty is taking all this information and making it clear, simple, easy to understand, and easy to follow, easy to put into your life. So why is it so hard to change? Let's first ask that question. You are being misled by fads, trends, and miracle cures that don't work for everyone, if they even work at all. You're spending hundreds of dollars on programs and products that don't fix the true cause of poor health and unhappiness. You are overwhelmed by too much information about how to change your life, so you feel stuck and confused. I love to help people with all of these problems. Like I said, I like to make things simple. I like to make things very inexpensive because I don't believe in charging hundreds of dollars for my programs and my products. And I don't deal with miracle cures or fads or trends. So when I say miracle cures, some people claim that certain things will work for everyone, and that is not true. And it also isn't true that a lot of these things are cures, because really these things are good for prevention. So I'm completely honest about those sorts of things. What I talk about are natural things that are free or very inexpensive and have been around since the beginning of time, because you can't really improve on nature. And that's the whole point of healing yourself naturally. So getting to the root cause is very important. Disconnection from nature or our higher selves and the universe causes a cascade of problems. It causes disease, mental illness, and a lack of purpose, just to name a few. So this sounds like a big problem, right? How can we fix this problem? We can align the whole self with nature. Humans make things more complicated than they need to be, and I like to help people figure out, the ways to do this without making it complicated. The answer has been right in front of us all along. Nature. Our bodies, minds, and souls all need to get back to nature, and this is where other health courses fail. Because I've taken a lot of courses on holistic health, but they only focus on the mind-body connection. They don't focus on the spiritual side, but all three of these must be aligned. returning the body to a natural state without toxins and chemicals, living in alignment with the seasons, cultivating mental health naturally and safely, and establishing a connection with your higher self and the universe. These are all things that this course that I am teaching aims to help you with. So the end result is the authentic you can come out. You can live your best life, being the best version of you that you can be. And that is body, mind, and soul, because you are a whole being. You are all three. And that's the whole reason for me starting my business about holistic health, because I'm kind of obsessed with holisticness. Is that a word? I don't like to focus on just one or even just two of these. All three must be balanced. Everything you need to heal your body, mind, and soul is in this online course. It will walk you through every step of your journey to get from point A to point B. So right now you're probably at point A and you want to be at point B, which is the best version of you. From helping you to plan healthy meals to helping you to find your life purpose, all your bases are covered. Now this might sound overwhelming, but really it's not, because like I said, I have a way of making things simple. I have been researching this for so many years now that I've realized it really comes down to just the basics. And that is why my course is called Holistic Lifestyle Basics, because it's really all about, like I said, it's the things that our ancestors used to do. Very simple, natural things. There's going to be no fancy gadgets, anything like that. And so that means it's a lot of information, but it's simple information, and it's easy to follow. So what is all included in this course? There's going to be 8 video modules covering food, sleep, exercise, environment, nature, herbs and spices, mental and emotional health, and spiritual health. So since I made this slide, I have made another module which is called Aligning with the Cycles of Nature. So that one's not added there, but there's really 9 videos then. And also, I have added another printable workbook as well. So the ones that I have here are the Healthy Lifestyle Planner, the Healthy Eating Planner, the Mental Health Workbook, the Spiritual Health Workbook, and I've also got another one included as well, which I will cover in a second. So there's bonuses, of course. The first bonus is printables. So these are very crucial. As you'll find, it's very important to have these types of things to help you apply the information into your life, because you don't want to just watch the videos and forget what you learned. So you're going to get a holistic health assessment, which is going to help you to determine how holistic your lifestyle is as before you start the course. And then you'll be able to, track your progress and see how well you do after taking the course. And then there's a body, mind, and soul goal sheet. You can print as many of those as you want. As you reach your goals, you can create new goals. And then the other 3 are foundations of daily health as far as physical, mental, and spiritual. So those are checklists that you can keep, and they really make a difference. Things like that. They've proven that planners and using things like that, things where you're writing down, like goal planners or to-do lists or anything like that, those things all help you reach your goal. They help you achieve success a lot easier than without them. And that's a huge part of my business. I also have an Etsy shop where I sell workbooks, planners, journals, checklists, and things like that. And they are the crucial element in helping you actually make the changes. So the second bonus is my actual book. My full-length book called Living a Holistic Lifestyle, A Beginner's Guide to a Healthy Body, Mind, and Soul. Now this is going to be a PDF. This is not the physical book, but it's still everything that's in the regular book. The third bonus is the other printable planner that I mentioned. So this is called the Holistic Health Lifestyle Planner. This is my newest planner that I put together that's really got so much stuff in it, and it was so comprehensive that I had to add it to the course. So you're almost getting a different types of planners for whatever specific areas you need. Like I said, the other ones were, there's a spiritual one, there's a mental one, there's a couple physical ones, and this one here covers all 3. So you're really getting your bases covered, and you're going to have a huge variety of how you want your pages to look, which ones you want to use. You can use them all, or you can use some of them. So let's go over, I have a review to show you, and this is actually my course rating. So out of a 5-star, my course has a 4.47, so that's really good. And I really like this review. I've only watched a couple sections so far, but already learned a lot in line with what I was expecting from this course. Excellent material. So what are some questions you might have? What makes this course different than other courses about health? This course doesn't focus on problems. Instead, it offers you an entire lifestyle shift, so current problems are minimized and future problems are prevented. Other courses focus on only one specific health issue without recognizing the fact that the body, mind, and soul are connected. Therefore, they must be treated together as a whole. This course is for creating an overarching lifestyle of whole health. If this course is just about the basics, can't I just find it online for free? The information I share in this course is a culmination of 15 years of research, many binders full of notes, and deciphering what was necessary and what wasn't. It was taken from dozens of courses, as well as from a variety of doctors and other experts in the field of health and spirituality. I also provide the missing key between learning the information and actually applying it into your life. This is why I created the workbooks as part of the package, because the information alone is not enough to make changes and get results. So, to answer the question, yes, you could spend time researching yourself for free if you wish, or you could just get it all in one place at the same time and save yourself a lot of research, and it just sounds like a great deal to me. Is the information in the book different from the information in the videos? The book was the first place I put all the information together, so the book does contain the most in-depth information. The videos put most of the same information into video format with a few other different pieces of information as well. The workbooks contain the basic foundations from the book and the videos and puts them into a format that makes the information applicable to your life. I wanted to include the book as well as the videos so anyone can absorb the information whether they prefer watching videos or reading. That being said, if you want to get the most out of the course, I recommend watching the videos and reading the book, and of course printing off the workbooks and using them. Those are perhaps where most of the magic is. Is there a money-back guarantee and lifetime access to this course? I offer a 100% 30-day guarantee. Actually, this slide was made when my course was hosted on Gumroad, but it is now hosted on Udemy, and Udemy has the same 30-day guarantee. You will have lifetime access through your Udemy account. I should have changed this slide, but I didn't read through it at first. If you do not wish to create I think I might be able to skip through that part because that's not about Gumroad. So you can basically create an account on Udemy, which most people already have. So you may be asked to enter in the email address you used when you created your Udemy account to be sure to save your information, because Udemy is there forever. When you have an account, you can always go back and look at your courses. I have courses that I started taking 20 years ago that I didn't finish, or maybe I did finish, and they're all still there in the same place. So don't worry, you will always have lifetime access, and of course you're going to have access to all of the printables that you're going to print out. You're going to have them in physical form. So you aren't completely dependent on being able to get on your computer. Of course, to watch the videos you will, but if something were to happen where your computer breaks and hopefully you printed out the worksheets. Try to do that first, print out the worksheets first, and that way you'll always have them. You'll have almost all the information in those. So it's called Holistic Lifestyle Basics, and the price is only $44.99. I told you I was into helping people live a healthy lifestyle for cheap. I am not all about charging hundreds of dollars for this information. And Udemy also likes to knock prices down a lot. There's been so many times where my course has been listed for $9, and so you might get lucky and get it for that, but $44 is a really good deal as well. So the link will be down below in the description if you're interested in checking that out. There's a couple of free modules that you can watch on Udemy, but I also have a free sample lesson in this video right here. So if you're curious to see the style of this video, of this course, I should say, you can watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.